Hello everyone, here I am with another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to disable your microphone on Windows laptop. Now just click on the startup button and type mmsys.cpl. It will work whether it is in a capital or small, it doesn't matter. Now just click enter. In recording, you can able to see your microphone. Just right click on it and give disable. And there is one more option. Just right click on startup icon and select settings. In left side click the option system, and on right side go to the option sound. And here also you can able to disable the microphone by muting, and here also you can able to mute the volume. And third method is at the bottom right corner you can able to see the volume button. Just click on that and you can also mute or disable your microphone by muting this. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.